Now let us look at this. This expression here is not equals to x raised to the power of 5, because you might want to think that this is x raised to the power of 2, probably 2, then times x raised to the power of what? 3. Now this is not equals to this. Rather, x raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 3 implies x raised to the power of 2 times x raised to the power of 2 times x raised to the power of 2, will give you x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2, which will give us what? X raised to the power of what? 6. Now, this expression here is never a raised over a plus a all over what? C. And this is because when you have 1 all over 3, which equals to 1 all over 2 plus 1. Take note, it is never 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 1. Because 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 will give us 1 over 1 all over 2, which will give us what? 3 all over 2. Thank you and God bless you.